So we have this skin on school, filmed in all the little details. First, this little guy is called Bentley. Bentley is Eva's dog. Eva, I've done her in multiple ways. I created a few portraits and this portrait just blew up like crazy. Everybody wanted to do, everybody actually did, which was really, really cool. So Eva is a really good transition between really high dense realism and not realism. So like the style before, either you call that neotrad, illustrative, or any other styles. This is what she was. The glasses were not really done in black and gray. I did them in black and gray first, but when I did the other stuff in red, I was like, you know what? I could sneak in. So in these videos, you will learn how to do nice, real, clean realism. And it's as close as realism is. It's not really like a photo realism, but it's really realistic. It would heal really realistic. As you can see, it heals smooth, and you will learn smooth techniques. You'll learn smooth blending, smooth shading, smooth black. And if you've never been on this channel before, if this is the first video you watch, I'm Ziggy. I own the studio. I'm literally in the studio right now filming videos for you, and I'm just mentioning what's inside the school, where you can learn, where I've parked all my information, this knowledge pocket almost, because when I was a kid, I couldn't really find any information on how to tattoo. And then I thought, you know what, when I learn how to tattoo, I want to share to the world. So this is me sharing to the world. And as you can see, it's realism, it's color. This is a tattoo, that's not a sticker, but it's a tattoo. And then lettering, writing, shading, clean, black, portraits, all sorts of stuff. And when it comes to these ones, I did this one. I stenciled these both actually. This one was a later edition. The hand was there, and then I extended the arm so it fits the doggy. The dog's name is Bentley. This was a request of how to do fur and how to do hair. It was requested by a few of the people, so I thought, you know what, I could give you the... So then we did. You're gonna watch how I do with a 3-liner and 5-liner. Most of this done with the liner, so you're gonna see how I do with the liner, how to hold the hands, what speeds, what pressure, how you get in, how you get out. Really nice, really cool. And I filmed with a 4K camera, so you're gonna see everything really up close, really clean. And then also you get smooth blends, how to do smooth shades, how to do big areas open smooth, how to do big areas open smooth, so there and there. What to do first, because mostly when you do afterwards, all these thoughts, all that will be answered in the videos. You'll see that. Down that I thought, you know, maybe some days in the future I'm gonna extend and get all this shaded in. Who knows? Maybe I will do that. Then also it has like a nice tutorial of rose, how to do this, more like a Chicano style, how to do Chicano roses. There was a season where I was really, really bad with roses, and I really wanted to become good with roses. So there was a season when I spent so much time learning about roses. There's a guy called Justin Bernal. He was the one who really inspired me to do like clean roses, and then so I did. And then the knowledge I learned from the clean roses I applied everywhere. And yeah, when you're gonna do this, you'll see what I use there. It's really nice. I did the black and gray first, and then I did the color afterwards. And as you can see, the color makes it look like you can see inside the glasses, which is the point. Here you go, smooth shades, loads of details, loads of small stuff. Most of these Eva design black in, because when you get big chunky areas, a lot of times you don't know how to get the black in, so you kind of wing it sometimes. But there's a way how you can get nice black in. There's a way how you get nice black in. I know the light is not really shining. The kind of gives a bluish light. Maybe I need to change the settings on my lights here, but it's not really blue. It's black. It kind of, maybe some angles you can see more like blackish, some bluish. I don't know. And there are 2 more Eva versions on school. This is just two of those. These were auditions to see if other people like it, because what I do is I mostly ask them what do they like, so they tell me, and then I also sometimes throw designs out to see what the public says. A lot of times they love it. A lot of times I watch how many people do the designs, and if many people did the designs, it's an indication to me that that's what they like, and they would love to do some more, so they make some more. So I'm really invested into developing people. I really want to see how much I can push them, how much I can develop them, how much information I can give, what information they need, and how they need. So if you need this and this and this, chances are I'm gonna make a video about it, because I want you to learn. I want you to succeed. I want you to have the what I did. And also, You might be thinking, why are you doing all this? Because my team learns from this as well. My team, literally, wherever you're in the shop, they learn from the same videos you learn. You all learn from the same information. Literally studio tested. My people in studio, the team, consume information, learn information from the same videos that you watch. And because when I tattoo, for example, daily life, yeah, I tattoo them, I don't really have that much time to sit down and talk to them and teach them what to do, how to do, because I'm busy doing tattoo myself. Which means if they watch the videos as I'm tattooing, because it's me teaching just in the videos, and that's exactly what you have, also the same access, the same information, yeah. And then mostly you're going to learn how to do blacks on these designs. You're going to learn how to do smooth, nice, neat shadings. Also neat. You're going to outline all this with a liner. So you're going to see how to outline all this, what to use, what not to use, how to get these precise, how to blend these really nice, how to get the contrast so nice, how to get smooth and perfect. Now looking at it, I think I need to extend this thing. I think probably I need to close this gap more, push that down, and then that there will be more solid. I think that will be more impactful, really nice. And maybe I should even like close this and like get more that shading, more that background more shaded, maybe that background, make it look more like a sleeve. Maybe that's what I need to do. Which means I'm probably gonna make video. If ever whatever I do, I make videos about it. So if I'll do the background, I'll make video how to do backgrounds. If I'll do how to make big areas smooth and black, I'll make video about it. And if I will need to shade around here and then cutting her face out, I'll make videos so you guys can win from all the information. Yeah. So if I ever do something, it will be captured. I will try to capture as much as I can so I can transfer the information to you. So this is one of the skins that's on school. The kids are learning. I would say the Eva designs have done so many times. Lots of people have done the Bentley. And Rosita, her name is. She's done also by many people, but because she's more advanced, kind of more going on, not many people have done, but people have done multiple times. It's just when it's more complex, fewer people approach and fewer people go for that. This is on school, and if you decide to go there, I'll see you inside. And if you decide not to join the school, then I wish you luck by trying to trace information online and puzzling your careers together from random YouTube videos. I'll see you inside.